Hello everyone, so today I am going to be opening up this. I'm sorry if you can hear much background noise, my dog is barking, people are talking, it's really distracting, but I am opening this. And I have the camera set up at a weird angle and I can't really see if you can see what is going on, but I'm going to be opening up this, which is an order from Zalando. These are the Vans Vivienne Westwood. Let's face it, you all knew I was going to buy some of these. So, I'm going to actually pull this and try and make sure there's no... Take it off camera for a second while I just get the box out. There we go. So, I don't know if you can see that or if I'm holding it the right way. But yes, look at these. Just yeah, let's have a look. I don't know if you can see what I can see, but I got the old school ones. And yeah, this box is awesome. I like that a lot. So let's open them up. So the paper, oh my god. They are beautiful. So they come with this Vivienne Westwood and Vans come together to create a collection celebrating the fearless individualism that defines both brands. The range reinterprets Vans' timeless, it's kind of rubbing off on here, timeless classics in iconic Vivienne Westwood prints and graphics. So yeah, I love this. So these are beautiful. They're like a maroon burgundy colour, and they have the lightning bolts and orbs all over them. It's also got VW embossed on there. That's really nice. The laces are yellow, and the bottom. These are gorgeous, and actually cheaper than I was expecting them to be. I don't know why I was expecting them to be like a lot more expensive than like the normal Vans, but they were like a tenner more expensive, and yeah, I'm paying that for Vivienne Westwood. So there's the inside, it says Vans Vivienne Westwood Anglomania. I do apologise for my nails, by the way. I've just taken off my nail varnish because it was chipped to hell and kind of it stained all my cuticles and stuff, so I do apologise. So that's that one. And the other one, identical obviously. And yeah, these are like my shoe of choice, so I do very, very much like a Vans old school. The paper, like you can only sort of see it in certain lights, but it does have like orbs and Vans written all over it. I don't know if you can see it at all, but it's like bag paper. Usually it's like paper, but I suppose we're getting fancy because it's Vans and Vivienne Westwood. So there we go. That's my Vans old school orb thunderbolt goodness. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please leave a like and a comment and subscribe and all of that good stuff. And yeah, I will see you all again very, very soon. Adios.